Udkhat jang kayang darbar parlimen MP jang kari Germany Florian Müller ulapan pawe ke jang dan kamban wanra ya ke proactive cyber security policy hakiri jang ke perthai. Habakren hakami yatai halor kamat cyber security in comparative Indian and German context ha school ba nehu mentakasngi Müller ulaang ba kalong kabadan kambandan ya kejuk kenong rim hakiri jang ke perthai. Kat kum kejing sngo jung kedai bandan kejing yang menjur lang halor ke kebadai bat ke kebadan kambat berking ha ke cyberspace da ke baong ba kedai bandan ya ke atiar kaban a jing pensistem ya ke penken ya ke an da ke baong ba ke India kedai ke temei jong ke yok ke kot bat ke digitalization UMP ke ri Germany ulang ba ke jing yok jing job jong ke India kan long ke bapau shina.
We must have a proactive cybersecurity policy at international level. We have a rule-based order on the oceans and we need an international order in cyberspace. We have to find a common ground on the international level. We must agree on what is okay and what should be banned in cyberspace. And we must have instruments for punishing rule violations.
Mentapat ngipek jinglong jiman ke sundang haslong ke jing shit